Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the January 2026 Charm Box, which is the cutest theme ever. It is going to be filled with everything you need to get your nails ready for Valentine's Day. This is a really fun subscription box because it comes every other month and the themes are super catered to like seasons, and there are a couple surprise themes throughout the year as well, so you can subscribe or you can buy the box separately. So if one catches your eye, you can still grab one. So the one that we're going to be unboxing today is January's, and this is everything again that you need to get your nails ready for Valentine's Day. First of all, I love the little postcard in here. It gives you some nail inspo. It also gives you a breakdown of everything in the box. Now, some of the items in the box are exclusive items that you can only get if you get this box. And there's a couple freebie items in here. They also included some really fun stickers. And then speaking of stickers, this box would not be complete without some really fun nail stickers, and this is something that I look forward to in every box because daily charm stickers are absolutely fantastic. They're super amazing quality, and I really like the theme of these ones because not only is this a Valentine's Day box, but I feel like you can rock this kind of style nail look any time of year. You don't necessarily need to utilize this box just for Valentine's Day. Then we have some charms. These are really cute. These are like leopard print bows. We also have some classic silver and gold bows, and then we have some beautiful heart-shaped nail charms, which those are absolutely fantastic. And another thing that's really fun in the box is we always get these beautiful glass rhinestones. I really like the play of colors. We have some pops of bright of all different color tones. And then we have more carrying through of that gold and silver, some heart charms. And then we have some 3D hearts, some bows, and some flowers as well. So those are really awesome. And then the other freebie gift that they gave us this month is a little bag charm or key charm, however you want to rock that. It's just a little pink bow. And then we have the most gorgeous transfer foils that I've seen in a long time, and I'm definitely gravitating towards these. They're absolutely stunning with the floral print and the lace. They included this month a really fun magnet, which I believe this magnet is like sold out on their website. So if you wanted it, the box might be a great option for you. Then they also included a red mirror chrome, which I'm hoping we're going to see more chrome in this box because they did a smaller size of the chrome, which is absolutely fantastic. And then we have this adorable bow dispenser bottle. Now you can put your alcohol in here, or it says on the postcard under the description that you can put acetone in there, which is absolutely fantastic. Another item in the box that I'm really eager to try, this is the anti-chrome matte gel, which is sold out on their website. This right here is valued at $22.50. It's great if you're doing any chrome and nail art. And then they also include gel polishes in here, and the color for the month, this is in Nothing Compares. Now all I have is that 90s song rolling through my head. But this is a beautiful cat eye, and it also has a little bit of a cool tone to it. We're going to dive into that gel polish here in just a moment so you can see it in action. So this is everything included in the box. Now, if you do subscribe to it, it's $49 every other month, but you can get this box on the website on its own, and I think it's $59. So if you're interested in this box, if it's not sold out already, you might be able to get your hands on it. But overall, it's such a great value, and the value is over $120, which is absolutely great. So if you love having all trendy nail items just arriving at your doorstep without having to think, and just arrives and you're ready to go, this might be a box for you. It's adorable. It has best of both worlds. It has stickers, it has transfer foils, it has gel polish, and I just love the surprise on its own. All right, so we're going to create a little simple nail look. Now I turned on the flash because I felt like this polish right here, it needed a moment with the flash on. So for the first nail, I'm going to show you what 2 coats looks like with the flash on. So I'm already hypnotized, but look at this. We're getting a really beautiful glitter moment going on. The glitter is very subtle. It's very magical, and the glitter almost looks like it has a blue shift to it. This is such a gorgeous color. I will say this color looks really good with one coat. So if you're looking just for like that beautiful, delicate glass look, this is a great option. And then I am going to try it out first with the magnet that was included in the box. Now I'm using a nail stand that has a magnet on the bottom of it, and I feel like I could get even a better magnetic effect if I did not use this stand. So if you're ever struggling with your cat eyes, it might be your nail stand. If it has a magnet in it, it might be not giving you that perfect cat eye look that you're going for. So I went ahead and cured it, and then we're going to go in with a second layer. And then when I saw it with the second coat, I was like, okay, I could totally rock this color just like this alone, all of my nails this color without any added nail art. I just feel like this is a great color. And there's something about just like the little blue tones that we're getting. So I would say this is more of like a cooler kind of blue tone that we're getting once we hit it with the magnet. But overall, it's really beautiful. And the cat eye is just like that super fine silver. But we have like this gorgeous glitter coming through. Overall, a really beautiful but unique color. And I really like that it's just a good color to have in your collection. It's not only is it themed for Valentine's Day, but again, it's a great color that you could honestly rock all year. I feel like this is going to be great in the springtime. Do this on a couple nails and then do a little bit of like a floral transfer foil on some white nails and just have this as like be the star of the show. I feel like this is a great color. So I turned off the flash on the camera. So now we're going to apply it without the flash so you can kind of see best of both worlds when it comes to this beautiful gel polish. Now I'm going to go ahead and link everything from Daily Charm in that description box below and all the information on the box. I'm not affiliated with Daily Charm or anything like that. I just truly love the box. I really like how the box is just it's like a no thought for me. I feel like it's everything I need to get my nails ready for that next holiday. Now they do a spring box. I know we had like a wedding themed, we had like a Y2K themed as well. And then we do go into a fun summer box. There's always a Halloween box, which does not disappoint. And then there's always a Christmas box as well. The only thing that is throws me off a little bit is that they do not ship the January box until like the 13th. So then there's like I don't really get the box until almost like the 20th and 21st. So there is a slight delay on the box, but I'm like already, me personally, I'm ready to rock some Valentine's Day nails right in the beginning of January. So the only thing is I wish that we got this box shipped out a little bit sooner. But other than that, I do think it's just overall the perfect box. All right, so now that we did the pink color on 3 of the nails, I want to play with that chrome. So I'm just going to go over 2 of the nails with Fluffy Clouds from Sundara Nails. If you are looking for a HEMA-free, TPO-free white polish that is full coverage, this is going to be your go-to. It is a great white polish. So while that white is curing, we're going to go back into the pink nail, and this time I'm going to try doing some transfer foils over this beautiful pink. So I'm going in with the Makartt transfer foil glue. Now keep in mind when you are playing with transfer foil glues that each glue is different. So the directions do say cure between 90 and 120. For me personally, with my lamp, I get the perfect transfer foil when I cure for 90 seconds. If I cure for 120, I'm only getting like half the image on the nail. So when you're playing with transfer foil glues, it's definitely trial and error based on your lamp. I did order the Daily Charm transfer foil glue, so that's coming. So I cannot wait to try that because I've seen so many good reviews on that transfer foil glue that I needed to just, the price point was $25 for the transfer foil glue, and that was what kind of made me not want to buy it. I've been like eyeing this up for like 3 years now. And then at this point I was like, what am I waiting for? Let's just try it, right? So that's coming. So once that comes, we'll dive into that. But here is the transfer foils on top of that beautiful pink cat eye. So I do really like how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the transfer foils on the other 2 nails. Overall, we're going to keep it really simple. So now we're going to dive back into that chrome polish since the white fluffy cloud nails are completely cured. Now, I like to use this product from Varnell, and you apply it to the entire nail and then you cure for 60 seconds. You just do a very thin layer, just like you were applying your gel base or gel top coat. And then it's going to help you get that perfect chrome finish without any patchiness or streakiness. And I know Daily Charm has a product like that as well. So then once that's cured, look at that. We're going to just go in with that red chrome powder that was in the box. And then we have the perfect chrome. Now, if you want this red to be even more bolder, go in with a black base. That's really going to give you just like that deep, gorgeous red color payoff. I just wanted a pop of red, so I wanted to go in with that white. Otherwise, you can apply this over a red gel polish as well. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a good dusting. Then we're going to go ahead and seal in this chrome powder with a layer of gel base before we add some nail art. Now, I will say, when I went to go film this box and did the unboxing, I was a little overwhelmed by all the choices that I had readily available for me. So I did not really know what to do for this set. So I figured, why don't we just keep it really easy for the first nail look? So that's what we're doing. All right, so then now what we're going to do is we're going to implement some accents of gold. Now I wanted to keep it simple again, but I still wanted to pull in some more elements from this box. So on the transfer foil nails, I'm going to go ahead and put some of these gold hearts on the flower nails. I just felt like that was a nice touch. It's still not taking away from the beauty of those gorgeous transfer foils, but yet it's still giving us a little bit of something, right? So I'm going to go ahead and flash cure that so that heart does not move around. And then once it's flash cured, I did do a full cure for 30 seconds. And then we're going to do a layer of gel base over the entire nail and then cure for 30 seconds. That's just really going to go ahead and seal in that little gold heart that we just did. And it lays so nice to the nail. I really like that. And then for the chrome nail, originally I did a layer of gel base and I did not cure. I was just gonna put a gold heart right in the middle, but then I was like, ooh, let's kind of do a little heart polka dot kind of moment. So that's what we did with this one. I just did a layer of gel base and I did not cure it. The only thing I would do differently is I would not use gel base because as you can see here, I did speed it up a little bit. Those hearts are really, really sliding around. So what I would have done is I would have used my Jello Fix-It gel and then just put little dots where I was going to place the hearts and then those hearts would not slide around. So that is an option. And now for the stickers, here's a little hack. So I was struggling to get that bow off. So what I do is I always take that like outer protective sheet off the stickers. See how it just like came completely off? And then I can easily grab whatever sticker I want and I don't have to like worry about ripping the sticker or anything like that. So I always like to take off that like first layer of that sticker sheet, and it's also super satisfying to do. Just make sure you're pulling it off really slow so you are not risking ripping up any of those extra stickers. So for that other gold nail, we just applied this adorable bow that also has a little heart charm right on that bow, and then I finished up with top coat, and then here's our finished set. I love this so much. Again, it's very simple. We could have went into more elements. I mean, there are so many amazing things in this box. But again, I was feeling a little overwhelmed and didn't know what direction I wanted to go in. So I chose a simpler route and I'm so glad I did. And then here's what it looks like with the flash. It really just takes that cat eye to the next level. And then you can really see the full potential of that gorgeous chrome. I think Daily Charm switching that chrome to the smaller size jars was absolutely genius because I'm here for it. And I'm really, really hoping that now we're going to get like a chrome in each month's box because I love their chromes. They are so, so good. All right. So everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. And stay tuned. I will be doing more looks featuring this box, but I will do it on my YouTube shorts. So it will be in a real form. So if you're into this box and want to see some more nail inspo, definitely check out YouTube shorts. All right. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and staying warm. I know there's a lot of bad weather out there, and I will see you all in the next one.